Wondering what all that vegan baking hype is all about? Well, you've come to the right place. So, grab a whisk and some bananas and leave the eggs out of it. Here's what we'll need. Your dates are going to act not only as the sugar, but as a moisturizing agent. Aren't they just swell?
Yes, sir.
Let's start with the dates. If you have back of the pantry, let me Google if dates expire dates. Don't use those. Fresh dates are soft, so let's blitz those up in a food processor before we combine them with our bananas. A note on the bananas. No, these bananas aren't overripe. Actually, 2 of these aren't even where I want them. There, you see that smooshy looking bit right there? That's what I'm looking for. That is pure banana flavor. Eviscerate your bananas with a potato smasher before adding in your oil and your choice of cowless milk. Sift your dry ingredients together. Now they're ready for a mashed banana playdate. It's a simple matter of stirring the wet with the dry. Don't worry, they'll soon be fast friends. See? Told you. Grease a bread pan and pour in your concoction. Fun note, you can taste this batter because we gave the chickens a break. Cool, right? Now into the oven for 40 minutes. At 35 minutes, take it out and stab it with a toothpick. See that? Yeah, that's the bread telling you it needs more time. Listen to it. Okay, now it's done. Grab some vegan butter because you're on a baking roll. Don't judge me.